Alright, time for another quick little video. If you ever come to my workshops now, there's a few key points I typically talk about in the beginning of them. And this is something that I always want all entrepreneurs or about to be entrepreneurs jot this stuff down, because this is very critical. I've learned this along the way. Time, money I've spent figuring this out, and now that I've basically trimmed the fat, and these are just a few, I mean there's plenty more, but these are just a few. I definitely want you to write this down or remember it for the rest of your life, whether it's in business life or outside of business life, right? Number one, if you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. Let me say that again. If you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. Now, imagine you get upset with the client, or let's just say you happen to have product in local convenience stores and the display was at the register, and you walk in to do a delivery or check on sales or whatever it is, and they now move the display to the other end of the store. What are you going to do? Or you, oh man, you guys said that, blah, blah. You start getting into it with the convenience store owner. He's like, wait a second. We're doing you a favor, first of all, by having your product in here. You know what? Get your stuff out of here. And that screwed up your money making over there. And of course, apply it whether you're a car salesman or whatever it is, a real estate agent. Somebody thought they had good credit, you didn't do a credit check on them, or whatever it is, and just keep in mind, apply it to what you got going on. But yes, if you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. Number two, this one is actually more important than money. You need access, okay? I don't care what industry you're in, there's always somebody bigger and better than you, or somebody that has something you want, or somebody that can connect you to somebody, or somebody that can give you a platform, or whatever it is. You need access. Sometimes that access you have to pay for. Sometimes that access, if you're really good, you can work your way into certain circles, okay? Trust me, you need access. Number three, market the perception, not your product or your service. See, a lot of people, and this goes down to the age-old, maybe features versus the benefits or whatever. It's kind of along that same category, I guess you could say. But you are not marketing your product or your service, okay? You're marketing the perception of it. If I'm, selling a gym membership, how am I going to market it? Am I going to market, we have 25 machines and we have 3 ellipticals and we have 12 treadmasters or whatever they're treadmills? No, you market the perception of the gym. Okay, now depending on what you got going on, apply that to you. Once again, market the perception, not the product or service. The fourth one, money follows attention. So guess what? You need attention. You need to be known. You need to be popping. If you don't have any attention, it doesn't matter whether you have a taco truck or if you're an attorney. You need people, okay, clients, customers, and of course that's a whole nother can of worms, how you label the people that give you money. Your clients or potentials need to know who you are and that you exist. You need attention because money follows it. And the last one, you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate. Okay, let's say that again. You don't get what you deserve, but you get what you negotiate. And I'm sure if you have a job right now, there might be people that, let's say you started off, making, let's just say $16 an hour, and you've been there for a year and now you're making 17, but somebody brand new comes on board and they're making $17.25 or whatever it is. Maybe they negotiated that salary. Maybe they came with no other experience. So don't get upset that someone's doing better than you, or somebody got a better schedule than you, or somebody got better product placement in the store than you, or whatever it is. You didn't negotiate. So you have to learn how to negotiate, especially as an entrepreneur, because when you're exchanging, bartering, swapping out work, or whatever you want to call it, you have to learn how to negotiate. So keep that in mind, okay? Once again, the 5. If you can't control your emotions, you can't control your money. Number 2, you need access. The third one, you're marketing the perception, not the product or the service. Number 4, money follows attention. So you need attention. And the last one, you don't get what you deserve, you get what you negotiate.